So welcome back to my channel Math Brain, and today we have a really interesting quick challenge 2, and we multiply this 2 by 1 minus 2 divided by 2 inside parentheses. And what is the answer? Right here for options, so we can also check your school knowledge. You can also pause the video and try to solve it by yourself, and of course we will check our answers here in just 30 seconds, so it will be really interesting. So first of all, let's rewrite this challenge right here. Okay, so here's our challenge. We have 2, we multiply this 2 by 1 minus 2 divided by 2. Okay, so here is our challenge. And obviously, if you look closely, we have right here we have multiplication, so this is like a first math operation. Right here we have subtraction, this is our second math operation, and right here we have division, this is our third math operation. And obviously, whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So you need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem, okay? Because we can easily start with this multiplication, we can easily start with this subtraction, we can easily start with this division, and obviously whatever order of operation we select, we'll have like a different answer. But in terms of math, it's really bad thing to solve our challenges randomly, because we should know what is the correct order, correct property, correct rule, and it not works only in math. We should know what is the correct order to do this problem. And for example, let's look at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. So in this like second interpretation, or not like second interpretation, let's just rewrite this challenge. So we have 2 and 1 minus 2 divided by 2. Okay, here's our challenge. And let's look at this PEMDAS order of operation. This PEMDAS order of operation works from the top to the bottom, so the first step and the highest priority has parentheses. Next we have exponents, next multiplication division group, and the last step addition and subtraction group. So addition, subtraction in the end, okay? So right now let's scan what elements do we have in our challenge. Let's start, for example, let's scan in what do we have right here. So we have multiplication, we have parentheses, we have subtraction, we have division. But I want to mention that really great thing to look at these parentheses, because parentheses has the highest priority, and we have parentheses in our challenge. Yeah, we have parentheses right here. So our first step is to evaluate, to simplify our expression inside these parentheses. Okay, so let's do this. But in the same way, in parentheses we have subtraction and division, and right now we should look at this PEMDAS once more. Okay, so division, subtraction, where do we have? We have division right here, and we have subtraction right here. And as I told before, higher position, higher priority. And in this case, division has the higher position than subtraction, so we should divide at first. So we should start from this division to divided by 2. Okay, so we have 2 right here, and our parentheses 1 minus, and as I told before, the second step after finding, of course, these parentheses, but generally our first step is to divide these 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. Okay, so right now, subtraction, obviously, because this is the last step inside parentheses. Okay, so this is our third step, subtraction, so which is equal to 2 times, right here, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So basically, basic multiplication right here. Of course, we can write this sign, write this point right here, write this step right here with this 4, because this is our last step. So 2 times 0 equal to 0. We don't have addition, we don't have exponent. So this is our explanation about this PEMDAS order of operation. So firstly, we find parentheses. Next, we should evaluate expression inside parentheses, but inside parentheses we have a complicated expression with subtraction, with division. So we should start from this division, because division has the highest position, the higher position than subtraction. So then subtraction, our third step, and the last step, multiplication, 2 times 0. This is very basic. Of course, after this step you don't need this order of operation, because this is very basic thing to subtract 1 minus 1 and to multiply this 2 times 0. So this is my explanation to this challenge. I hope you understand this explanation. Moreover, I hope your answer is the same as mine, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. It happens sometimes that you should learn, you should remember something, and of course it happens. Okay, so here's our answer A, and the correct answer is A, correct answer is 0 according to PEMDAS order of operation. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos, a lot of basic concept, a lot of YouTube shorts on my YouTube channel, so you can also visit my YouTube channel and you can see a lot of content. So thank you for your time, so have a great day, see you in the next videos.